Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Pokemon TCG Pocket on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any of the web browser and search for Pokemon TCG Pocket. And here when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that this app is only available on either App Store, Apple Store, Play Store, etc. So, in order to download that on PC, you need to have an emulator. If you already have one, you can skip this step. But if you don't, go to another tab and search for BlueStacks. And here, click on this one. Make sure the website is legit, and after that you'll be redirected here. So just click on Download BlueStack, and once it's downloaded, you can just install the setup by clicking on Next, and it will be installed. After that, you'll open BlueStack App Player, go to the search bar and search for Pokemon TCG Pocket. And then press Enter on your keyboard. Once you've pressed Enter, you will be redirected to the Play Store of your emulator. That is the Play Store of any of the Google device. And now here you can see that the Pokemon TCG Pocket is here. So just click on that, and you'll be redirected to the installation page of Pokemon TCG Pocket. So just click on Install from Play Store, and on this page, click on Install over here. Once you click on Install, the installation will begin, and you'll be able to see that the installation will be taking place over here. So it's going to take a bit time in order to download. Once it's downloaded, go to your home. And here it will be displayed over here. The app would be here, and you can just click on it and play. So that's basically how you can download Pokemon TCG Pocket on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.